ng kaling toothbrush nitong ginagamit kong toothbrush. Kasi baka makagat ako. Okay, okay, come on. Sit down. Sit down now. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Yes. Yes. Wait, wait, behave, behave, behave. Ay. Hey. Yes. Your mouth is stinky. We need to brush your teeth. Toothbrush, toothbrush, kali. Yeah. Your mouth is stinky. Wait for me dyan, ah. Just wait for me. Toothbrush, toothbrush. Oh. Here. Just wait. Okay. Wow. Okay, open your mouth. You're eating. Hindi mo makin inaano eh. Mm. You're playing. You're not brushing your teeth, huh? Yes. Okay. You're done? You're done? Importante, mawala lang yung amoy ng bunganga niya. Right? You smell good now. Right? Smell good ng kali. Kinakain mo naman eh. Ito yung kali-kali ko. Lablab ng mami to. Right? Give me your hand. Huh? Yes, I know. I know. My kali is so big. My kali is so big. Yes. Okay, I see your teeth. Oh wow, it's clean. Yes. It's clean, ah. No, ah. No. Okay. Masaya na kasama si Kali. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Yes, I use this toothbrush because I'm scared if he will gonna bite me, even though he is a tiny bite, but I'm scared that it will gonna bite my hand. And yes, I also use this for my safety and also for him, because if you can see, his teeth is already very big. And yeah, even though it's not his intentionally, but sometimes accident that he can bite me. So I use this one for my safety. At least, mabango na ulit ang mouth ni Kali. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bakit kapag ikay binibidyohan ko, hindi ka makakaano? Good job. Good job. Oh no. Mataba ka na kasi. Kaya you cannot jump high. Right, Kali? One more. Oh, wow. Okay, brush your teeth. Okay. You gonna brush your teeth. No. Don't do that. Yeah. Or brushing. No, that's enough na.